Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use custom voice in CapCut. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have this short video of Thanos, and this is what it currently sounds like.
I know what it's like to lose.
So let's go ahead and change that. First, we need to click on the video. Then we need to scroll through the bottom here all the way to the end, and this is what we're looking for right here, audio effects. So from here you can choose from different voice filters and voice characters. So starting with voice filters, we have plenty of options here. For example, this one. Then we also have this one, and this one. Alright, now moving on to voice characters. Let's start with Santa. Just wait a little bit, it's loading.
I know what it's like to lose.
Let's try this one. And again, you have plenty of options. But that's pretty much it.
I know what it's
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.